Welcome to iOS Insights, the channel for iOS app development using SwiftUI and Swift. The maths quiz is created in SwiftUI using MVVM. You will learn how to create the quiz so that each maths question is always unique and never repeated. The amount of questions can be set by the user. The default is 10 questions, but you can assign it to any number, for example 1,000 questions or more if you want to. Each time the user gets the answer correct, the score is incremented and also a smiley face appears. The above is what is included in the course and it is available on iOS Insights. The full source code is already online at iOS Insights, but the first video of the course will be uploaded next week. So this is how the actual maths quiz works. For example, it shows the question, what is 8 times 3? So the answer is 24. And because it is correct, it shows a smiley face, and then it goes on to the next question, what is 9 times by 7? And the answer is 63. And then it shows the next question, what is 7 minus 4? So to get it incorrect, just say if it was like 9. So this time we will not see the smiley face. And also you can increment the actual questions, as I said earlier, by tapping on the plus sign if you want more questions. Or if you want to reduce the amount of questions, you just click on minus to reduce it. And all of this is using the MVVM pattern within SwiftUI. And this will be available as from next week. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.